key elements ng ating professionalism and work ethics is just like part ng gulong. Familiar ba kayo sa gulong? What happens kung flat ang gulong ng isang bike? What happens? Stop. What else? Yung bike, no? Hilap gumalaw. At ano pwede mangyari sa bike? Kasi nag-stop nasira or tumumba, right? So you can become out of balance. So that is how critical your key elements are. Even if sabihin na lang natin ang mawala lang ay isa, self-discipline. Yeah? And pwede siya mag-deflate na isang gulong, right? So that is how I wanted to present to you the key elements na hindi siya yung twice a week mo lang gagawin. Oh, this Monday, gusto ko lang, ito lang. Diligence, professionalism, the rest wala ako niyan. Hindi ko feel. So you are not aware, you are not knowing that actually, silently, fina-flat nyo, you're not moving forward.